Hello friends, welcome to my channel World of Science. In this video, I am going to share with you important multiple choice question answers of cell cycle for CET and NEET exam. So let's begin the science quiz session 7. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel. Watch this video till end. If you like the video, like, share and comment your score. Question number 1. In vitro synthesis of DNA was first accompanied by dash, and your options are A. Arthur Kornberg, B. Hergovin Khurana, C. M.W. Nirenberg, or D. Watson and Crick. Well, the correct answer is A. Arthur Kornberg. He was the first to isolate DNA polymerase, the enzyme that assembles DNA from its components, and the first to synthesize DNA in a test tube, which earned him a Nobel Prize in the year 1959. Question number 2. The homologous chromosome undergoes synapses during the stage of dash, and your options are A. Diplotin, B. Leptotin, C. Pachytene, or D. Zygotine. And the correct answer is D. Zygotine. The zygotine is the stage of prophase 1 where the chromosomes start to condense into long strands inside the nucleus, and the chromosome appear to be thread-like, wherein the homologous chromosomes pair are come together in synapse. Question number 3. The human chromosome differ from that of plant because it is made up of dash, and your options are A. Deoxyribonucleic acid, B. Nucleoproteins, C. Ribonucleic acid, or D. None of the above. And the correct answer is D. None of the above. Question number 4. The spindle fibers commonly observed during the cell division are made up of dash, and your options are A. Actin, B. Myosin, C. Peptidoglycan, D. Tubulin. Well, the correct answer is D. Tubulin. Spindle fibers are formed from the microtubules with many accessory proteins called as tubulin, which helps to guide the process of genetic division. Question number 5. The cellular DNA replicates itself during dash, and your options are A. anaphase, B. G phase, C. late interphase, or D. S phase. And the correct answer is D. S phase. S phase or synthesis phase is the phase of cell cycle in which DNA packaged into chromosome are replicated. This is an essential aspect of cell cycle because replication allows for each cell created by cell division to have the genetic makeup. Question number 6. The cell which undergoes a reduction division is called dash, and your options are A. germ cells, B. myocyte, C. myospore, or D. spermatocyte. Well, the correct answer is B. myocyte. Myocyte or meiosis is a reduction cell division where the number of chromosomes in the daughter cells is reduced by half to produce haploid gametes. Question number 7. Which of the following Mendelian principle is universal? And your options are A. Law of dominance, B. Law of segregation, C. Law of independent assortment, or D. All of the above. And the correct answer is B. Law of segregation. According to the Mendel's law of segregation, only one of the two alleles for a gene is put into a gamete. During fertilization, offspring receive from each parent one allele for each gene. Question number 8. Genotypic ratio for a monohybrid cross is dash, and your options are A 3:1, B 9:3:3:1, C 1:2:1, or D 1:1:1:1. Well, the correct answer is C 1:2:1. A monohybrid cross is a mating between the two individuals with different alleles at one genetic locus of interest. The expected genotype ratio when two heterozygotes are crossed into is 1, that is homozygous dominant, is to 2, that is heterozygous dominant, is to 1, that is homozygous recessive. Question number 9. Linkage is a phenomenon referring to the genes born on dash, and your options are A. homologous chromosomes, B. different chromosomes in the cells of the same species, C. same chromosome, or D. sex chromosomes. Well, the correct answer is C. same chromosome. A linkage is a phenomenon where two or more linked genes are always inherited together in the same combination for more than 2 generations. Question number 10. At what stage does crossing over occur? And your options are A. diakinesis, B. leptotene, C. pachytene, or D. metaphase 1. And the correct answer is C. pachytene. Pachytene occurs during the third substage of meiosis. The chromosomes continues to condense. Crossing over takes place at this stage, and at each point of crossing over, there is a formation of chiasma between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and keep supporting.